palm.
Dusk.
Tick.
Doctor.
Die.
Blink, and I'm back. 102 years gone by. Tick-tock goes the pocket watch as my grandfather coughs and coughs and coughs and dies.
Flower petals fall like discarded feathers, purpose withered and appearance weathered, wood grain draped in wrinkled cotton, like the twisted bins repressed beneath. Morning memories paint a picture of a man without dusk. Time seemingly stops on a broken watch.
It sat in the corner of his palm, conveniently coated in a candied crust, sealed shut from years in a grave, in the form of a tattered trunk, encased in dust.
Not without a prescription from your doctor. Pretty purple pain pills cannot contain certain circumstances, but if that's the way it's gotta be, that's the way it's gotta be.
A watch that belonged to my father's father rests, stopped in the hip pocket of my Levi's. 718, it says. 718, it cries. 718, it's time to die. As I lie listless in my coffin cradle, my brain berates my body's belabored breathing, and then bliss.